Picture this. You're standing at an aquarium window. The water is dark, silent, endless. Then, from the shadows, a shape glides by. Long as a bus, smooth as a blade, gone in seconds. You think, that must be the giant squid, the legendary kraken from sailors' nightmares. But here's the twist. The ocean built two of them, two monsters. Same size, same power. Completely unrelated. One is the giant squid, the name you've heard before. The other is the colossal squid, a heavyweight twice as massive. Their family tree split almost 100 million years ago. They evolved on opposite sides of the world, and somehow nature still ended up with two versions of the same nightmare. This isn't a coincidence. It's convergent evolution, nature's habit of solving the same problem twice. We've seen this trick before. Sharks and dolphins, both sleek torpedoes, one a fish, the other a mammal. Bats and birds, two different paths to flight. Even Australia had a marsupial wolf that looked nearly identical to real wolves. But these two squids take convergence to an extreme. They live in different oceans, they face different pressures, yet both became the ultimate deep-sea giants. It's as if evolution ran the same experiment twice, and both times the ocean said, yes, this works. Why does being huge keep winning down there? Because in the deep sea, size solves everything. A large body conserves energy. It holds more oxygen for long dives, it stays warm in the freezing dark. And it turns you from potential prey into the hunter everyone else fears. Down in the abyss, bigger is survival. Simple as that. But here's where it gets fascinating. The giant squid and the colossal squid didn't grow massive for the same reasons. They followed two different evolutionary paths. The giant squid is all about speed. It's long, sleek, streamlined, built like a missile. Jet propulsion launches it through the water at more than 20 miles per hour. Its arms and tentacles are lined with suction cups rimmed in tiny saw-like teeth. Perfect for gripping fast, slippery fish in total darkness. It's a predator designed to chase. The colossal squid, on the other hand, is a tank. Shorter, thicker, heavier. It can weigh over 1,300 pounds, the heaviest invertebrate alive. It doesn't chase, it waits. Its strategy is simple: ambush. When prey drifts close, those massive arms strike, armed with rotating hooks that lock and twist. Once you're caught, you don't get away. Two oceans, two designs. One result: dominance. And despite evolving separately, both monsters came up with the same terrifying tools. Each has a beak made of hardened chitin, stronger than bone, sharper than a parrot's. Each has a radula, a tongue lined with backward-pointing teeth that grind flesh before swallowing. Both developed giant eyes, some of the largest in the animal kingdom, built to catch faint flashes of light or the passing shadow of something even larger. Different beginnings, same blueprint, because in the deep sea, the environment writes the rules and life just obeys. But here's the haunting part. These two titans will never meet. The giant squid rules temperate depths around the world. The colossal squid lives in the icy abyss of Antarctica, thousands of miles apart, thousands of meters down. Parallel lives, parallel monsters, never crossing paths. There is, however, one creature that knows both very well: the sperm whale. Sperm whales dive deeper than any other mammal on Earth. They hunt both types of squid in total darkness. Their heads are covered in scars from suction cups and hooks, battle marks from fights no human will ever see. And when scientists open a whale's stomach, they find the evidence. Dozens of squid beaks from both species, perfectly preserved. To a whale, convergent evolution is a blessing. Two lineages, same meal. Doesn't matter if it has hooks or suckers, if it's 500 pounds or 1,300. If it lives deep or deeper, it's dinner. That's what drives the endless arms race. Squids evolved to get bigger and stronger, trying to avoid becoming food. Whales evolved to dive deeper and hold their breath longer, chasing the next giant meal. Predator versus prey. Each escalation fuels the next. Could it happen again? Could evolution create a third giant squid species? Maybe. All you need is the right ingredients: darkness, pressure, cold, and time. And the deep ocean has plenty of all three. We're already seeing hints. Species like the Dana octopus squid, which grows to nearly 400 pounds, or the robust clubhook squid, stretching over 13 feet long. They're not monsters yet, but give evolution a few million years and who knows what might be hiding in the trenches next. The truth is, the deep sea is the perfect factory for convergence. Same problems, same physics, same results. Low light means massive eyes. Extreme pressure demands dense muscle. Sparse prey rewards patience and size. No matter where you start, if you live down there long enough, the math pushes you toward the same solution: a big, efficient, slow-motion hunter. That's why the ocean keeps remixing the same design. Because the design works. There's another layer to this story that most people miss. These giants are soft-bodied, no armor, no bones, just muscle, nerve, and mind, and yet they thrive where almost nothing else can. It's the ultimate paradox. The strongest creatures in the deep are made of the weakest materials. Even more shocking, they're intelligent. Cephalopods learn, they solve problems, they adapt in real time. That same brain power that helped octopuses escape jars and mimic predators is what allows these titans to rule the dark without ever seeing the sun. Evolution doesn't care about creativity, it cares about results. If two different species face the same problem, they'll often find the same answer. That's what convergent evolution really is. A reminder that nature isn't random. It's logical. It's inevitable. When a design works, life builds it again. That's why the giant squid and the colossal squid aren't flukes. They're proof that some ideas are too good not to repeat. Imagine the ocean as a massive R&D lab, filled with silent experiments running in parallel. If a strategy succeeds, it gets copied. If it fails, it disappears. Two squids, two answers, one result: survival. They'll never meet. They'll never know the other exists. But their stories rhyme perfectly, echoing across a planet of water. And somewhere right now, far below the surface, a whale is diving into total blackness. Its clicks ripple through the dark, searching for a pulse of motion, a flicker of arms, a flash of hooks. Somewhere out there, one of these giants waits. The next chapter of an ancient arms race is already happening, unseen. If that thought gives you chills, click on the next video. Different topic, same energy. The ocean always has another secret waiting just below the light.